It's a Hidden Valley Trail. We're going to try to do this loop. It says it's 1 mile for the whole distance, so we should be able to do that without any problem here. So, and all right, here's a trail heading up here. So that's where we're going to go. A part of the trail has steps in it. It's going up here. Another big rock up there, precariously balanced, but maybe the winds will knock it down one of these days here. Okay, back on the trail, going uphill. This is pretty interesting about Hidden Valley. I don't know, getting kind of reflections on there, so I'm going to try to move this so you can stop and start the vid if you want to read it. But somebody, Bill Keys, blasted the opening that we just went through here. So somehow we could get into this valley, and I guess that's why it's called Hidden Valley, because it was hidden. All right, there's the big blast. Kaboom! All right, let's keep going here. Well, the sign says the Nature Loop. That's where we're going to go. So it's supposed to be a big circle here, but that's a nice little valley here. Look at all this here. This was hidden for all those years before this was made a park or something here. So, and we got puddles in front of all the placards because people always stand here and make a little hole. All right, gotta get back on the trail. Well, this is Hidden Valley, and look at all the rocks up there as they're walking down here. You can see these rocks. We're in a valley here for sure, and I can do this while I'm walking because it's fairly flat here. Watch and see, and I'll stumble and fall here, but we'll have to see here. All right, there it is, more rocks. We got rocks out here too, all kinds of rocks. The wind, but yeah, look at that. They're all out there, all on the side there. Right up there. All right, gotta get back on the trail. Well, Ed Getley here, and One Man Travel. I'm out here at the Hidden Valley Trail Loop. It's a little bit of a nature trail. Beautiful vista in back of me. This is kind of a valley here. As you can see, I'm talking loud because it's a little bit windy. I'm going to keep walking down there. A lot of different things. Welcome to my channel here. I could use some subscribers if you should be so inclined. I've got coming up to almost 900 videos now from all around the world. I've got some shorts if you only want to look at a minute. I'm starting to populate that too. So let's get back on the trail. It's still chilly out here and cold. The sun's out though, so that's always good. All right, bye-bye. I thought I saw a lizard up there, but it's just a piece of wood. Look at this big rock. And looks like the trail goes down here as I see steps. And yeah, let's go down here. Look at all these rocks. This one here just balanced right on there, you know. It wouldn't take much. 4 or 5 people, you could knock that over. Well, look at that section over there too. Wow. Guess we're going to go down in the valley. The way those rocks are stacked up there. Pretty neat. All right. Let's go down here. I guess this is the trail. Coming into the lower part of the trail here, and still we got that beautiful rocks in back of me there. Look at all that. We got stones here behind me, in back of me here from whence I came. It looks like right up in that big stone, it's like a chunk just broke off and slid down, and it probably broke into pieces as it came down, but that's pretty neat. And there's a little hole or something in that one, but yeah, look at this. This is wonderful here. Wonderful. All right, okay, down the trail. Shadow Man's gonna take the steps that they've got built in here, and as you can see, you got another arrow so you don't get lost along the trail, and it's gonna wind up over there. Okay, if you look way over there, somewhere over there, there's a climber on a cliff. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's hard to see the screen on the GoPro, but there's a guy way up at the top too, and there's somebody rappelling on the side or coming up. But here we got a little downhill. Here's where the trail goes. So I'm going to have my wits about me to navigate that. All right. And success. Back down at the parking lot. So I did the whole loop. They said it was 1 mile. Of course, it felt like it was like 2.5 miles. But there's some downhills and uphills and very steep steps that they have made out of rocks, which is nice. But they're very high, so you got to make sure you get your foot up real high and don't trip. And there's some loose gravel, very fine gravel. So on the downhill, make sure your foot has a good grip then. All right.